Hey guys, we finally got the truck dug out of the snow. It's starting to thaw out a little bit around here. Thought I'd take a minute to stick a couple of these bulbs in the front of here and see what they look like. I did an open box review a week or so ago. Those of you who've been watching along, these are the 9005 from NOVSIGHT, NOVSIGHT. I'm not exactly certain how to pronounce it, but another quick look. These are pretty cool looking. I believe these go in place of the brights on here. So let's go ahead and stick one in and see what it looks like. Chevy made these one of the easiest to remove, which is nice. Just pull that out of the way. And we're in. Now, this is a, see, 9005. This is a 9006. So this will be the one that we're going to replace right here. All you got to do is pop the wire off of there. Little twist. We're out. The old bulb to the side. Pop the new bulb in. Little twist. Plug that in. We're good. Get it back in place. That's all there is to it. And that's how easy it is to install these bulbs. This one's a NOVSIGHT LED. This one's a factory halogen. This is daytime. This is what it looks like. This one's quite a bit more, I guess it's got more of a yellowish tint to it. This is more whiter, brighter. We'll wait till it gets a little bit darker and see if we can get a better shot. Now it's a little bit darker out. You get a little better idea of the improvement that it made. One's a little bit more yellowish orange. One's a little more white, a little brighter. Pretty good improvement. And that kind of gives you an idea going down the road what you can expect. Quite a big difference. One on the left, the brighter one, of course, is the LED. If you want to get a set for yourself, I'll see if I can put a link down in the description for you. Thanks for watching.